everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Scuba Driver. My name is Steven.
And this is Katie.
Making a little bit different of a video today. We actually got some snow in North Carolina, which is kind of rare for us, especially this amount of snow. So we just thought we'll get a couple of the cars out. Two cars that actually have never been featured on this channel. And we're gonna go have a little fun in the snow and hopefully not get in any trouble. So yesterday was absolutely brutal. I know it's nice and sunny today, but it snowed all day yesterday and there was no visibility whatsoever. So driving was a little bit of a challenge. I actually took the Bronco out a few times. I'll put a clip here. Yeah, so I had a little bit of fun in the Bronco for the first time. Again, this is a car that has never been featured on this channel, but I've had this car for, I'd say a little over 2 years now. It is a Bronco Sport Badlands. It's a 2021. It's actually a really, really great car. It's got the same engine as a Ford Focus RS, and the four-wheel drive system is actually really, really good in it. The car is excellently balanced, and it's just never given me any trouble. But the main car we're featuring today is Katie's 2015 Subaru WRX. So in the last video, actually the video of the 240SX, which is right over there covered in snow, we talked a little bit about Katie's WRX. This is not a feature video for this. This is kind of a random video just because we got some snow, but I am gonna make a dedicated video of this very, very soon. I'm gonna let Katie run through it and tell us everything it's done to the car. But cliff notes, it's right around 400 horsepower, probably about 330, 340 to the wheels. It is a very, very fun car. And last weekend I actually took it out in the snow a little bit and we had some fun in a parking lot. Maybe I'll put a clip right here of that. That was mainly ice. Today we actually have snow. I did not take this car out yesterday. Again, there was no visibility and we had over a foot of snow here, so didn't want to risk it. We are actually on street tires on this car, so we're gonna see how it does. You ready, Katie?
No.
And if we end up having some daylight, I will take the Bronco out too. But for right now, we're gonna jump in the Subi and we're gonna go have a little bit of fun and get some clips for you guys. Oh, and real quick, as I mentioned, we are on street tires, but we also have the Inky T6Rs. With the all-wheel drive system, even in the ice last weekend, I was very surprised with how well this car performed. And yeah, been letting it warm up a little bit. It's got the Tomei TI Type 80R on there. And again, we'll make a video about this car, but the turbo noises on this, it sounds like a jet. All right, we are in a beautiful, sunny and snowy parking lot in an undisclosed location somewhere in Mexico. So I had to drive all the way from North Carolina. I didn't know that Mexico had this much snow this time of year, but it's really nice. Anyways, we do have the Subi out here now. As you can tell from my Bronco video earlier in the video, the parking lot yesterday was way snowier. Actually, you couldn't see anything. I had to go walk around to make sure I knew where all the curbs were and everything. And we're not gonna go too crazy here today. Uh-oh, I thought Katie was about to throw a snowball at me. We're not gonna go too crazy. We're just gonna have a little bit of fun, get a couple clips, and maybe go grab the Bronco. All right, so we're in the Subi. First things first, I'm gonna turn this traction control off. All right, and we are off. Got a nice shifter here, carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing is tuned. Got Katie over there. She is, looks like she's a little distracted, but that's okay.
I want everyone to know that this is my daily that I take to work, and this is freaking me out so bad right now. Got Katie on the film there. All right, let's see what we can do.
Woo! Not as much control today. One more little time and then we're done. I'll be honest, it is not as good as last weekend, so we'll keep that in, but we'll go get the Bronco. Well, that didn't go exactly as planned with the Subaru, but it did pretty good. The brakes, I could tell, were starting to freeze, and we had a lot of understeer, oversteer, I can't remember what it is, but we had a lot of that in the front going on. This is not ideal for, I guess, snow drifting, but the car did great. Anyways, we're going to head off and get in the Bronco. All right, we got the Bronco Sport out here again in snowy Mexico. See if this one does any better, but as you can tell with the Subi, with all this ice and slush and stuff out here, it's literally, it's not ideal for drifting, I guess. I don't know. It was a whole lot better when it was just ice last weekend. But yeah, get in the Bronco, see what it does. Again, this is the Badlands Bronco Sport, so a little bit more power. It's got an actual four-wheel drive system. We got it in slippery mode, but I'm gonna take that off, take the traction control off, and just see what it does. See what we can do. I bet you've never seen a Bronco drift before. And I know that video is probably short and sweet and definitely not the style of video that I normally make, but hey, you know what? We never get this kind of snow here in North Carolina, so I figured I'd at least document and have a little fun and just trying to get back into the YouTube game anyways. Next video, well, hopefully next video, in case I have anything else random happen, we're going to get back into the install videos because we got a new part for Katie's WRX, so we're going to install that together, make an install video, so looking forward to that. I'll save that for next time. But thank you guys again for watching, and thanks for all those who have stuck around throughout the years, especially during my hiatus from YouTube. Trying to get back into it slowly but surely. You can go follow me on Instagram. Make sure you drop Katie a follow on Instagram as well, and go check out my TikTok and look at my YouTube shorts. I tend to post those pretty often still. But until next time, I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Peace.